guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make butter chicken. Personally, the people that I know, they love butter chicken. It's one of our favorite recipes to make. Before I get started, if you guys want to see more cooking and baking videos, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you guys never miss a video. Anyways, now let's get started. By the way guys, the recipe for this butter chicken is listed below, so all the ingredients and measurements are listed below. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bunch of chicken pieces. We did chop them up into squares. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add lemon juice. Give this a little stir. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this seasoning. It's called butter chicken seasoning. It's by Shan, if you guys do know this. Like this. So yeah, I'm going to put this whole packet into... Okay guys, I'm going to add this now. Give this a quick mix. Okay guys, so let this marinate for half an hour. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some tomato puree into this pot. One, and then two. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some whipping cream. And I'll just give this a little stir. Okay guys, so I did put this on the stove to thicken up. Before I do anything else, I'm going to add some seasoning. So first thing I'm going to put is some paprika. And then, this is optional if you guys do want it, but you can add some salt and black pepper. And some black pepper. And now I'm just going to stir it up a little bit. Okay guys, so in a separate pot, we're going to add some oil. And now what I'm going to do is add some other chicken pieces. Not all of them, just a little bit. Okay guys, I'm just gonna look at the chicken a little bit, just fold them on the other direction. Other side. Yeah, so I'm gonna stir this up as well. It should come on a full boil. Just keep. Okay, guys, so now I'm just gonna put the chicken on the plate. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna add oil to another pan. Some onions. But make sure the heat is on medium. We're just gonna kind of cook the onions a little bit. Yeah, so I'm gonna add the rest of the chicken now. Okay guys, so the chicken is done, so I'm gonna add this to the plate again. What I'm gonna do is add some butter. the onion. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm going to add is some Kasoori methi. I'm going to crush it up with my hands. And I'm just going to mix this up. Okay guys, so I'm going to put the chicken into the mix sauce. I'm going to take the onion mix and I'm going to put the lid on top. So put the stove on slow, quick stir. And I'm going to put the lid back on. And let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is how the butter chicken looks like when it's done. It looks really good. Trust me guys, you should try this recipe. Comment down below if you guys do like it, and if you guys want to see more of these type of recipe. I guarantee you everyone's gonna love this dish. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out. Bye.